Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, your Apple device and internet. Once done, look for the Apple ID as an email address in Settings Your Name on iOS or System Settings on Mac. If you can't access a device, search your email inboxes for Apple receipts or Apple ID messages to identify which address you used. Make sure you try any common email aliases. If family sharing exists, ask the organizer to confirm the account. This often clears up which Apple ID you need to recover. Now you'll reset the password directly on a trusted device. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Choose Change Password and follow on-screen prompts. On a Mac, open System Settings, Apple ID, then Password and Security, and proceed similarly. You'll be asked to authenticate with your device passcode or another trusted method. This confirms it's you. Once done, create a strong new password you haven't used before and save it in Keychain or a password manager for future access. If you lack a trusted device, go to iForget. Apple.com and enter the Apple ID email to begin account recovery. You'll follow stepwise prompts to verify identity. Once started, expect a timed waiting period in some cases while Apple verifies your request, or use a recovery contact or recovery key if you set one up. After you regain access, sign in on your devices, update your phone number and trusted emails, and enable two-factor authentication for future security. If things go wrong, use the recovery status link sent to your contact to monitor progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.